And then after that, paon mo ang okay. So I think you have to determine the utility. The utility is equal to yx minus 1. So utility is equal to, pila atong y is 5 times x is 15 minus 1. Utility is 75, 1 minus 1 is 24, right? Utility is 74. And then what if price of x instead of 6 nag-reduces 4, nahimo siyang 4. So ang imong marginal utility equation becomes y over x 2 over 2 over 4. So you have negative 4y equals negative 2x. Therefore, negative 4y divided by negative 4 plus 2x divided by negative 4, the answer is y, no? Y is equal to 1/2 x. Alright, so this is our new equation. So ato na siyang so you have 2y plus 4x equals a budget of 100. 2y is 1/2 x plus 4x equals 100. So you have x plus 4x equals 100. You have 5x equals 100. X is 20, right? X is 20. Therefore, what is your y? Y, iba na pong gamiton dari, 2y plus 4 times x. So, 2y plus 80, 100. Transpose to the other side, you have 2y 100 minus 80. 2y becomes 20, right? So y is equal to 10. So the final bundle, so ang final bundle na to karon is pila 20 and 10, right? Okay, so maghimo tag table dari aron na atong quantify. So initial bundle na to, how much? Ang initial bundle is x is equal to 15, y is 5, right? Then ang final bundle is x is 20, y is 10. Dayon atong i-decompose atong bungkagon. Kay ang behavior sa tao nganong nag-shape siya o consumption, nag-shape siya o pila iyang paliton, nagdepende man sa substitution of income effect. So, imong i-decompose which one really ana income, which one ana substitution. So, ang pagkuha sa decomposition is mobalik ka sa original equation. So, ang utility na to, di ba, is equal to yx minus 1. Mobalik ka ani. So, you have 1/2 x times x ba equals 75. 74 kaya minus 1 naman na siya. Minus 1. So, you have x square over 2 74, right? Times 2, so you have x square 148, right? Then square root of x is square root of 148. X becomes 12.165. So, muna yung decomposition karon, ba? Which is 12.165. And what is your y? So, your y, imong i-substitute dari, y is equal to 12.165 equals 74. So, you have 12.165y equals 74. Y is equal to 6.083. So, this is your decomposition. The value of y is 6.083. Right? So, the last thing, which is the most thrilling part, I guess. So, subject pag-yapan sa debate, pero ma-debate mo na, pero so far accepted man sa mga economists. Accepted man siya ang indifference curve. So, ang substitution effect is actually, ato na lang yan siyang ikuan. Ang substitution effect is actually imo ni siyang ang decomposition nimo i-minus sa initial bundle. Ba? Kabalo na mo sa initial bundle. Kung sa itong decompose mo, minus ang initial bundle, muna na billing sa substitution. Muna sa substitution. Ang income effect is actually ang imong final bundle. Final bundle, minusan nimo sa decomposition. Mo na ang So, here, pila atong decomposition. Decomposition here is pila to? 12.165 minus initial bundle, which is 15. So, doon ay gitawag ni mong negative 2.835. Dayon ang income effect. So, tanawin mo final bundle, which is 20. Minus sa decomposition, which is ila to? 12.165, which is equal to 7.835. So the total effect is i-minus ni mo 7.835 minus 2.835 is 5 units. So muna ang total effect 5 units. What is the meaning of negative? Substitution effect of negative 2.835. Ang meaning is, ang interpretation is, ang product Y is inferior product. A product that is hated by the consumer. So, dili gid siya mo palit, negative gid siya. Instead, o palit sa daghan sa X. No. O lagi, mapalit siya daghan sa X. Kay 7.835 man. So, dili siya. Pure quality ang product Y. Dahil superior quality ang product X. Sa ato pa, dili siya mag-substitute. Instead, daghan iyang gipalit sa X. So, nag-reduce ang price from 6 to 4. Pero hindi daghan siya. So, muna nakatsala sa economic approach to theory of consumer behavior kay imo ma-compute. Once you can compute, you can actually verify. Magamit mo sa policy, maghimo kag policy measures, makita nimo kung doon change sa price, pila din ang substitution, pila ang income effect, pila increase nimo income. So doon na gitawag nimo interact mo guna siya, income, price, and quality. So you see, makita ni mo marag superior ang economic approach which is indifferent. So compared sa psychological and behavioral and black box model. Pero dili sad nimo makuan kay daghan man kay findings karon sa black box sa neurosurgery. Na may mga findings po nila bahin sa theory of consumer nga gibasihan sa highly scientific instruments. So far, mo ni siya atong kwan. Okay, that's it. So, balik-balik na yun eh. Advice na ako na, balik-balik na yun siya.